Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. In today's video, I'm going to cover one easy question which is related to Java 8 Stream API. So our today's question is sum of natural numbers. What we have to do, we have to just find out the sum. What sum means? Whatever the range we have been provided, suppose we need to sum the first 10 natural numbers, then how can we use? If we want to use sum of first 15 natural numbers, then we will do all these things by using the Java 8 Stream API. We will not use any traditional approach. So without late, let's get started. One important thing here is that I have created the playlist in the Hindi also. If you are not comfortable in the English, then you can go to my Hindi playlist. All those questions will be covered also here in Hindi playlist. If you are comfortable in English, then you can directly go, you can watch this video and you can get and grab the new concept. Slowly I am uploading the concept videos, and slowly I'm uploading these coding videos in both the languages. I have created one Java shorts playlist also, in which you can find out the smallest concept which will help you to grab the concept, and it will help you to revise those things. Okay, so if you are liking my video, then please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the newer updates easily. So let's get started here. So first of all, I have created a class which is sum of natural numbers, right? So what I have to do, first I am creating what? First I am creating one variable here, like int sum. I am creating here. We have one class, int stream class. So by int stream class, inside this we have one method which is called range. So I want to find out the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So see what would be here in the range method. So in the range method, first parameter would be the starting range, means it would be inclusive. Inclusive means it will be calculated while you will be doing any performance. Then another I have given, see I have to find out the first 10 natural sum of the first 10 natural numbers, but I have given 11 here. Why I have given the 11 here? I have given 11 here because this will would be excluded, this would not be included. Then directly I am calling the sum. That's it. You don't need to use any loop and all. Directly you can find out the solution. This is very easy question for this video. For today's video I am giving this smallest one, smallest and easy question, so that previously I have covered many more questions, as you can see in the my project list at the left side. Here you can see. So these code I will provide you the link for my git, so that you can access these code also. So let's provide a message here, sum of the numbers. One more method I will show you that how can we do it. Here I am providing like sum, just saving the code, right click and run as Java application. You can see the output is 15, means whatever the range you will provide here, you will get the output. See, if you will provide the 1 to 2, it means what would be the sum? Just comment it. Till then I am right clicking here and run as Java, and the sum is 1. It means what? It means it is excluding the second parameter, means it is something like last parameter minus 1. Range would be last parameter minus 1. But let me show you the another method which is sum only. I am calling int stream dot range closed. We have one another method which is called range closed. I am providing here what? I am providing here one parameter which is 1, and here I am providing 2. But let's see the difference. What is the difference exactly here? If you will right click and you will save it, so you can find it by what? You can find it like what? You can find out the result as 3, means the result would be different. So This is the range over here, and after that we'll do sum. So once I am calling sum here, let me make it as an int. Save it, right click. After the right clicking, I'm just doing the sum, and sum is 3. See, if I want to add 1 to 10 number, then I am providing here 1 and 10. It means what? It means the result is 55. It means what? It means that if you are using the range closed method, this the second parameter would be included 1. But if you are providing the range, the second parameter would be minus 1. Means it would not exclude, it will take up to minus 1 range, right? So this is very easy topic that I have covered in today's video, and I hope that you are getting the concepts through my videos. If you are liking this video, then do hit the like button, and share this video to your friends who are preparing for Java 8 interview coding questions. Comment if you have any doubt. If you want to cover some of a specific topic, then comment it. Definitely I will try to cover it. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest update. Thanks for watching. Till then, we'll meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep coding.